Welcome to 1010 South Meadow Avenue in Odessa. This is what purpose-built industrial real estate looks like. 6,400 square feet of solid metal construction, 2.3 acres of prime Dovecote Industrial Park land. Let me show you inside. Step through these doors and you're walking into something built for work. This isn't some warehouse that just got repurposed. This is a facility built to function. The moment you're inside, you feel it. The space, the height, the bones. Here's your office area. Climate controlled, clean, professional. This is where you manage the business. Real walls, real separation from the shop floor. Facilities that are actually maintained. Bathrooms your team can be proud of. A kitchenette where people can take a real break. These details matter. They tell you everything about how this building was designed with people in mind, not just equipment. Now here's the heart of it. 4 garage bays, clear, open, functional, 17-foot clear height. That means forklifts. That means equipment. That means you're not limited by the building. You're empowered by it. This is where the magic happens. Whether you're storing equipment, running maintenance, managing inventory, or staging for daily operations, this space adapts to what you need. The concrete floor is solid. The bays are deep. You're looking at genuine working industrial space here. And here's what matters. This isn't cramped. There's more room to move. Room to work, room for your team to actually do their job without fighting the building. Think about your operation for a second. What would it look like in a space like this, where you've got the professional office environment, the meeting space, the team facilities, and then you've got this, unlimited working capacity. The electrical is single phase, which means perfectly for most operations in this sector. If you need 3-phase down the road, you can upgrade. It's straightforward, economical. And you've got yard space right here, room for equipment storage, room for customer parking, room for operational flow that actually makes sense. This 2.3 acre isn't just land, it's opportunity. You got 3 contiguous parcels unified under one ownership. No split deals, no complications. Room for storage, room for maneuvering equipment, room for vehicles, room for growth. This is the kind of acreage that gives you flexibility most facilities just don't have. And look around. This is Dovecote Industrial Park. You're not in some remote corner of town. Your customers know this corridor. Your competitors operate here. Your market is right here. That's not coincidence, that's strategic positioning. So here's the bottom line. You're looking at 6,400 square feet of premium industrial space at $180 per square foot. You're getting a building that was built right.